Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Oni Jocks, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. Okay, so that's my mirror. Also I'm super excited and a little bit nervous to be doing this just because, I've been wanting to do this for so long, but just haven't done it yet. So I'm excited to be starting this journey with you guys, and then I figured what better way to go about doing this than a get ready with me, pretty much, even though that's not necessarily what I'm going to be doing today, but pretty much like a get ready with me where where we can relax, sit down, talk, and I can let you guys know a little bit about what's going on with my life. Yeah, today I'm just doing a simple DIY lashes thingy going on just because I have the church event later tonight and I kind of want to have my lashes for that. Yeah, but I thought we could catch up on my pregnancy journey and fitness, and just get ready with me while I talk about those things, and also why I decided to start this journey at this time. So yeah, well, I am currently 20 weeks pregnant. A lot of people don't know that. Sorry, I need to do a lot more prep for this before I start, because I trying to get my, maybe I can put my hair up. Maybe putting my hair up will work better. Let's see. Just so I can see my eyes better. Hopefully that helps. I don't know. We'll see. Also, don't worry about my background right now. This is my husband's gaming room. He was like, oh yeah, you can use my room for today, but this is my husband's gaming room. I don't have a setup right now, but I'm still working on that where I can sit down and talk to you guys better. But for now, this is just where we can, chit chat and talk. Okay, so quick life update. I am currently 20 weeks pregnant. Well, 20 weeks and 4 days pregnant. And honestly, it has been a roller coaster. And it's been a roller coaster both physically, spiritually, emotionally, psychologically, quite literally everyly. A lot of people don't even know this, which is crazy because I haven't really announced it to people except my close family members. But yeah, so this is pretty much like guys, I'm so terrible. I'm so terrible at doing my lashes. I feel like if you guys have any tips for me or whatever, please let me know, because this is bad. But yeah, but it has been a huge roller coaster for me. Like some days I honestly feel like a superwoman where I feel like I can do it all. And I feel like, oh my god, this is easy to navigate through. Like this isn't something that's gonna bring me down much. And then some days I feel terrible where I can't even get out of bed and I can't. Okay, we got that down, guys. We got the first one down. Okay. Okay, and some days I feel like the couch is winning. The pantry is winning. I can't do nothing but sleep and just roll over in bed and get fat. And because of that whole situation, I've been slacking a lot with my fitness. Because before I got pregnant, I was able to, You know, I was more consistent at the gym and stuff. I was going to the gym a lot more, which was great for me. It kind of helped me not just physically, but it also helped my mental state a lot. But during my first trimester, guys, I was sick. Sick. I threw up quite a bit. Everything irritated me. Every smell, everything and anything irritated me. Like, I threw up with just literally everything. My second trimester though, I've been able to get up a lot more, for sure. I've been able to move around a lot more. However, it comes with a lot of sciatica pain. Why? Why does it go from one problem to the other? One thing is for sure though, pregnancy has like, it has changed so much about how I view my body and how I view like my routines and stuff. In terms of like self-care and my fitness routine and stuff. But one thing I've come to realize is I just have to give myself grace. I mean, at the end of the day, I am growing a human. And that is a blessing in itself. So I need to remember that for sure. And I need to give myself grace. And I'm not saying like I'm not trying to, you know, move my body more and still stick to my self-care routine and stuff. But if I'm not able to do it at a certain time, I shouldn't be, you know, knocking myself upside the head over it, you know, which is something I have been doing and something I'm really trying to not do. So yeah. Throughout my journey, I'm going to be sharing, you know, updates on my pregnancy, bump dates as well. I'm gonna do one during this video also, so you guys can see where I'm at with my bump journey, bump dates, and honestly, it's just basically the real stuff about pregnancy that doesn't necessarily get talked about very often. So I kind of went ahead and did the rest of it off camera just because it was stressing me out. I usually don't like my lashes too lashy, like too full, whatever. I like a classic set kind of thing. Yeah. So fitness honestly has always been like a huge part of my life, and I've been, you know, trying to figure out how to show up for myself and show up for my body in a way that feels good and in a way that doesn't cause any pain. One thing I do or I have come to learn though is that it's not just about doing it, it's about showing up, you know. So as long as I show up for myself daily and every day, you know, I'm good. I also, you know, throughout this pregnancy, I've kind of like, you know, figured out a way to take a step back from my own brain and myself and just place everything in God's hands. Because, child, if it was just me, I would be running out my mind because of everything that I've gone through, everything that I've been going through, and everything that I am going through. Couldn't do it alone. Oh, that's not good. Oh, we did it. We did it. We did it. I thought that was gonna come off the hinges. Okay, I think we got it out. I don't really know how to feel about this eye, guys. And this is always my issue with getting my lashes done. It's like, it's never right. So this is all I can do right now, or the strip lashes. But it's like it never turns out right. It's so bad. But we're gonna keep going because guess what we're not gonna do? We're not gonna give up. Yes, ma'am. Okay, so why am I starting YouTube? Why am I starting YouTube now? Because I have always wanted to do this. I've always wanted to get on YouTube. I've always wanted to make videos on YouTube. Honestly, since I moved to this country, because I moved in 2016, moved for school, college, and I know that I love creating. I love sharing. And I kind of like being a creative. I may not be where I want to be right now with my creativity and all of that, but I do enjoy it. It's also, I also love watching, like, you know, get ready with me's beauty videos, live vlogs and stuff. And I figured, if I'm gonna do this, why not just go ahead and do this? Just hadn't done it for so long because I've been so scared, like so scared, like scared to my bone of just putting myself out there and just figuring out if, like, what are people gonna say? Well, how are people gonna judge me? Are they even gonna be interested in what I have to say? Are they gonna watch me? Like, what are they gonna do? So I just haven't. But I decided that, girl, why not? Like, you don't want to teach your child to not face their fears. Like, you want to show your child, that your children, or your child at least, that, oh, that's not good. This is like a struggle. Like, I feel like you guys are just watching me struggle. Anywho, you want to show your child that even if there's anything you're scared of, you can. Did I do 14 first? Criminy. I don't remember. But you should always be able to face your fears and attack them, because nothing is bigger than, your strength and the strength you gain from God. As long as you have God with you, who are you afraid of? What can you be afraid of? So, yeah. Oh, Christ. This isn't good, guys. You know what I'm gonna do? Because my lashes keep sticking to my, I don't know what these are called, tweezers maybe? So I'm just gonna wipe them with wipes. So yeah. So what can you be afraid of? So I decided that, I'm just gonna put myself out there. Whatever kind of fruits my videos yield, in a sense of, if people get to watch them, that would be great. I would love that. So please subscribe. Subscribe to your girl, because she's fun. I'm telling you, she's fun. Plus, I'm sure you guys would want to see, like, updates and stuff. But hopefully it works. Fingers crossed. Let's see. Guys, I'm not even sure if this was the same setup I used, because this is starting with 14. I don't know if I started with 15 on this one. I think I did, though. I think I did. I think I started with 15 on this one. But see, what we're not gonna do is take it off. I'm not that much of a perfectionist. No, I'm not. So we're gonna keep it going. Okay. Did the other one. I don't know if I'm a huge fan of it. But that's okay. Let's get a drink some water. Oh, pregnancy has your girl thirsty. So yeah, anyway, this is just a little sneak peek into my life, what's happening, maybe what's to come too. I don't know. Who knows? We're doing this together, guys. I'm not doing this alone. We're doing this together. I don't know. What you guys think? I don't know. Anyway, the next thing, what we used was the bond for, the glue. So the next thing we do is the seal. Pretty much just seals it all together so everything stays together, I think. Yeah. So yeah, we just put that on the lash thingy. I just put a little bit on the lashes just because I know that some of the glue gets on my lashes. But you're just supposed to, honestly, just put it on there. and then you'll be fine. And then after I do that, I just like clamp it out again. But yeah, so this is just like a little sneak peek into my life, my journey, what's to come and all. So if you are interested in seeing this, seeing my pregnancy updates, my bump dates, which I will show you guys my current bump, but my bump dates, and beauty vlogs, GRWMs, sit down talking, whatever, just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, help your girl, help your girl out. This is my current bump at 20 weeks and 4 days. Okay, I think we're done. Let's just see how this looks. I will be putting on my makeup right before I leave for church. But yeah, so let's just see how this looks. I like it. It's not too bad, but if you see my imperfections, you're too close. Back up. Back up, because you're too close. Okay then. I think I have one of these things in my eye. Plus, why can't I get this inner corner? It don't even matter. It don't even matter. Okay. Thank you for spending this get ready with me DIY lashes, even though it was a fail again. But thank you for spending this time with me, and I will see you in my next video.